I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Maximum Scroll Jujutsu Infinite. This powerful technique requires a deep understanding of spiritual energy and precise physical control. First, ensure your mind is clear and focused, ready to channel immense power. We'll cover the initial steps to awaken this ability, focusing on a stable base and controlled breathing. Remember, patience is key, as mastery takes consistent practice and dedication over many sessions. To activate the infinite scroll, begin by drawing spiritual energy from your core, feeling it gather just below your navel. Next, execute the three-point hand seal, ensuring each finger position is exact for maximum resonance. As you complete the final point, visualize a swirling vortex of energy expanding outwards. This initial surge requires about 70% of your immediate spiritual reserves, so be prepared for a significant energy expenditure. Sustaining Maximum Scroll Jujutsu Infinite demands continuous energy regulation. Once activated, focus on maintaining a steady, unbroken flow from your core, preventing any fluctuations. Use subtle mental commands to guide the scroll's effects, directing its power with precision. Practice directing its infinite reach by visualizing your intent, aiming for targets up to 50 meters away. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes daily, will significantly enhance your control and efficiency. For advanced users, Maximum Scroll Jujutsu Infinite allows for area of effect manipulation, affecting a radius of up to 10 meters. However, be mindful of its significant energy consumption. A full activation can deplete 80% of your reserves. Recovery typically takes between 30 to 45 minutes of focused meditation. Prolonged use can lead to severe mental and physical fatigue, so always prioritize your well-being and know your limits to avoid overexertion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.